remove bracket from this expression. 7c plus 2 into bracket, we have 21c. You can see the multiplier is at the back. It does not mean. So the multiplier can be in the front of the whole of expression, that is in front of the binomial expression, or at the back of the binomial expression. It's still a multiplier, and this is a positive multiplier. Solution. We have 7c plus 2 into bracket. We have 21c. Now, from here, what are we going to do? We are going to use the multiplier to multiply the first expression. You can see. So we have 7c times 21c. Then plus the next one, this same multiplier will multiply this. So we have 2 times 21c also. So the next thing for us to do is to multiply. Now 21 times 7. 7 times 1 will give us 7. And 7 times 2 will give us 14. So it means that 21 times 7 will give us 147. C times C will give us 6 squared. So plus 2 times 21, that will give us 42. So 2 times 21c will be 42c. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.